At East Asia Motor Manufacturing, we are known for making really good motor parts called stators and rotors. The rotor is a super important part of a motor. It helps the motor spin and work properly. To make sure it works well for a long time, we have to be very careful when making it. Two of the most important steps are pressing the bearing into the rotor and knurling. A bearing helps the rotor spin smoothly. To attach the bearing to the rotor, we use a method called press fitting. That means we push the bearing into the hole in the rotor tightly so it stays in place. First, we check the size of the parts and make sure everything is clean. Then we use a special trick. We heat the bearing so it gets a little bigger, and cool the rotor so it gets a little smaller. That way, the bearing fits in just right. After that, we press it in carefully using a strong machine. Once the bearing is in place, we let everything go back to normal temperature. Then we test it to make sure it's not loose or crooked. This helps the motor run smoothly and last a long time. If the temperature or pressure isn't just right, the parts might not fit well. So, we use smart machines that can control the temperature and pressure very precisely. We also test things on the computer before doing them in real life. This helps us do it right the first time. Knurling is a process where we make small lines or patterns on the surface of the bearing area. This makes the part stronger